Introducing our state-of-the-art vertical baler, equipped with automatic door opening, auto bale ejection, screen display, and a built-in weighbridge. With a variable frequency drive, it saves up to 30% on energy consumption. It's specifically designed for compacting rare metals, stainless steel, aluminum alloys, and various non-ferrous metals. Come, let's see how much I weigh. With our baler integrated with a weighbridge, you'll know the weight of each bale precisely, allowing you to predetermine the weight of each bale, ensuring neither underweight nor overload during loading.